Hi guys, today I will show you how to make roles in Discord. Before I start, I would appreciate if you leave a like and subscribe. Thank you. Okay, the first step is to go to Discord. Click here. Click on the server settings. Click on roles. Create role. Here you put the name of the role. First I will create an administrator role. Here you can choose the color of the role. And here you can choose an image for the role. In my case, I will not put any. Click here to separate the roles. Now we will manage the permissions of each role. Click here. In the case of the admin, I want to have all the permissions, but instead of checking one by one, I will scroll down and click on admin. This will give you all the permissions on the server. Save changes. Now to create a normal role that is not admin, we will go here on the plus symbol, create a new role, name it. We put color. And click here again. We go to permissions. And here we configure the permissions that we want this role to have. Save changes. Now, to see the list of users, click here. To add a role to a user, right-click on it. Roles, and select the role you want. If you found the video useful, leave me a like and consider subscribing. Thank you very much.